This is one of my favorite times of the year to bring in simmer pots. So come join me today and I'm going to show you how to make a simmer pot to help repel negativity from your home and to bring in abundance. Plus, I'm going to be honest with you, my dog got skunked, and so this is going to really help remove some of that odor in the house and just have my house smell like pumpkin and spice and everything nice. So let's do this. So here's all of the ingredients I'm going to be using today. We've got some fresh sage, rosemary, lemon, allspice, cloves, fresh chamomile from my garden, fresh mint from my garden, cinnamon sticks, and orange, and then of course, moon water. So add in your water. I like to bring in the moon water to add. Just make sure your pot is filled up halfway. Turn the temperature up to about 5 until it comes to a simmer, and then you can turn it down. Because we want to repel the negativity, we're going to stir the ingredients in counterclockwise. So we're adding in the cinnamon for protection, the mint for that extra protection and wisdom. Good luck, prosperity, and collaboration. Cloves, which are very powerful and active defense, driving away any negativity and attracting positivity. Then fresh sage from my garden, just to add even more protection and banishing of any negative energies. Of course, we have to add rosemary, which brings peace and protection to the home. Allspice is great for increasing the power of any spell. It's also believed to ward off negativity, evil spirits, and bad luck. Counterclockwise to banish lemon for abundance and the orange for luck and prosperity. And I realized I forgot the apple, so I'm adding the apple in for that extra protection, and make sure you add the seeds in as well, considering they are poisonous. Make sure that as you're stirring, you're setting the intention in that this is going to bring in the protection and remove any negativity from your home and bring in prosperity. And then of course, add your magic in from there, adding in 𝐦𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐸 and light language. What I love to do afterwards is, once the simmer pot is done, remove everything, strain it, and then wash your outside windows and doors, adding that extra element of protection. Enjoy, my friends.